Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like how you can crush on Instagram in 2021 and how you can make a full-time income out of Instagram. So I come across this strategy, really cool strategy. So I started applying, so I could see results in my business. So I just wanted to share with you guys. So if you're before we get started, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be documenting my journey on this channel, and also I'll be talking more about mindset and email marketing, sales funnel, and that can actually help you grow your business online. So if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button, and also if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description. And let's come back to today's topic, that how we can go ahead and crush Instagram in 2021. So like if you, this is right now we are in 2021, like you must have set up some goals for your business. Like if you're getting started with Instagram in this year, like this video is for you guys. So I'm not going to talk about principles here, like principles. I have been talking about the core principles about marketing in my every single video. If you have not watched any of my previous videos, like if you're new to my channel, like I'll just reiterate them again. Like basic core principle doesn't change anything. Like I always talk, like keep your business very simple. The number one point is like pick up your niche of product, one single product of niche, and then one platform to produce content. And content creation is very important, because you don't want to be like persuading people all your lifetime. So you want to produce content that can automate things for you, and you attract people rather than you going behind people. And number three is like set up your sales funnel process, like not sales funnel, sales process. It could be simply directly sending people to a sales page, or it could be directly for example, you can directly send them to a sales funnel where they go through different steps of a sales funnel. Like you can define them. Once you have those, like what, who, and how, like these three core pillars, once you have decided them. And in this video, I'm mostly talking about Instagram, because we are choosing Instagram as a traffic source. So I hope you have set up those three first, and if you are not, like go ahead and be sure to set them first. And once you come back to Instagram, I'm not talking about the principles, I'm talking about the new strategy that can help you scale your business much faster. So what we will be doing, like we will be doing simply doing the same things again, like producing content on a daily basis, putting right hashtags, and targeting the right audience. Like if you are in affiliate marketing, you are producing content around affiliate marketing. So slowly and steadily, like people who are looking to get started with affiliate marketing start following you, and even if they are not following, like even they will see your videos, or like they come across your videos and they start reacting to your videos. Like what you are going to do is like whoever followed you, or like whoever reacted to your videos, you get their information. What you're going to do is like you're just going to send them a voice message. Like it's not a sales pitch here directly. What you will be doing is like you will be sending them a intro message, like what they need help with, or it could be anything. Like I know a person like who is into fitness niche. Like he literally sent me a voice message, and I was looking something related to fitness, and he sent me a voice message, and he gave me a diet, and he really helped me. And I like, even he offered me his services. Like in the end, like I went ahead and bought the simple process. Like we are going to apply. You're going to send a voice message saying that who you are, and like even you can thank them, like you have been watching this video, and if you need any help with. So like they will be surprised, like how this a random guy come and ask me for, is coming and helping me. And if they're struggling with anything, like you go ahead and provide value there. Like it could be a simple thing, a technical thing, or it could be a mindset thing, or it could be a product related thing. It could be anything. Like if you have the capabilities to provide solution to that problem, like you go ahead and provide it for free. And even if needed, like if you want to spend your time on that person, like maybe do a screen share, like anything, like provide it for free. Like trust me, the trust that you gain from that conversation, like is very impactful. You may not make sales from that person, but the trust that you have gained in the beginning, like it's very important. And once you build that rapport, like you can just ask him to schedule a call with him. Like if you have anything to offer him, like once you have a call, it is just a friendly call. Like you have become friends. And like I have a friend like who was looking for something, and I'm recommending something for him good. Like it should be as simple as that. Like once you do it this way, like you will see the conversion rates are very high, when especially when you have high ticket products. For example, if you are selling something for $1,000 or $500, and let's say you're talking to 300 people every month, like you're sending messages, maybe out of which 20 scheduled a call with you, 20 or 30, I'm considering only 10%, and even if 4 to 5 at least bought after your call, like you're making $4,000 to $5,000 per month with this method. So this is a really interesting method, and once you connect with them at a personal level, it becomes much easier to sell, and because you're actually providing them value, and if they trust you, like you're providing so much value for free, definitely your premium product or whatever it is, like it is going to help, that kind of conviction that it will pass. So once you do this on a consistent, I know like it may sound like 300 messages in a month, creating content, all that, and getting 20 to 30 calls every month, it may seem a bit harder, but trust me, if you do it this way, many people do it in Facebook Messenger. I have seen this Facebook organic method, but you can try it on Instagram and it will convert much better. So I hope you got value from this video, guys, and if you are enjoying my content, please do subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing, if you want to do the business right way, be sure to check the first link in the description, where my mentor puts everything in right place, and it is very at affordable price. You can go ahead and check it out. And if you want to connect with me personally, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, or you can email me directly, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.